Today we're going to be doing a quick AC performance test. No tools required other than a thermometer. This is a 2007 Saturn Vue, but it works on any other car or truck with AC. The first thing you want to do is measure the temperature outside. If you don't have a thermometer or anything like that, just check your local weather for the area. Next, you need to work out the humidity. Again, you could use a hygrometer, or you could just check the local weather in the area. A rough ballpark figure is okay for both temperature and humidity, but if you have the tools, you can get a better accurate reading. Before we begin, place the vehicle in a shaded area. Now we're in a shaded area. Start the car. Put the AC on. Make sure your recirculation mode is on. Turn it to full coolness and put the AC on max. Make sure we're coming out of the center vents also. Place your thermometer in the center vent in the middle of the car and leave the car running for 5 minutes. Once the car's been running for 5 minutes, just to rev the engine a little. Once we've revved the engine to around 2500 RPMs, record the lowest temperature. Next, these are the AC performance charts for this make, model and year of the vehicle. You can look these up online, they're relatively easy to find. When we started, we had an air temperature of around 94 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is less than 30%, so we follow this along. And we can see our maximum left center discharge air temperature should be 59 degrees Fahrenheit. This is how you get a gauge on how good your AC should be according to the service manual. If your AC isn't reaching these temperatures, it might just want a quick recharge, but you can check out other videos where we diagnose the AC so you can understand exactly what is going on and why your AC is underperforming. I hope this helped. Check out the other videos and thanks for watching.